guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yazz'n and you're watching Yazz'n It Up. This is going to be my project pan intro for 2020. So this project pan is going to last from January 1st till April 30th, but I did start using these products starting on January 1st. So I wanted to do a 4-month project. That way I could do several projects within 2020. I'm super excited to be able to purchase new items, but I do also want to continue to use the ones that I already have and not forget some of the items that I do love. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I did pick 7 items for this 4-month project pan, and let me go ahead and show you what I chose. So the first item I picked, I have been trying to pan for the longest time, I feel like. This is the BH Cosmetics and Carly Bible 10 color and 4 highlighter palette. So here's what this looks like. This one I am gonna depot and put it in a different pan, but as you can see, I have a bunch of pans that I already hit. Like I said, I've been trying to pan this palette for 2019, and I have a couple shades left that I have to finish. So the first one that I have to finish is this one right here. You probably can't even see it in the camera, but there is a smidgen left of this color all the way tucked in the corner. I don't think you can see it on camera, but I know that it's there, so I want to finish this one finally. And then the other one that I have to finish is this one here, and maybe you can see that right at the bottom there. I do have some eyeshadow still left in this one. So just these two I'm gonna go ahead and finish, and I know I'm gonna be able to finish this within the halfway mark. So this is like a dark purpley color, and then this one is like a golden copper color. And like I said, that one I'm just gonna depot, and the rest of them I have completely finished. So I'm just getting so over this palette, and I just want to get it done with. So that's why I went ahead, and this is gonna be my first item for this project pan. Next 2 items, I'm actually counting it as one item because one of it is already halfway used up. So I plan on using up 2 of the mini Bath & Body Works candles. I actually tried using mini candles in one of my previous project pans in 2018, and I wasn't able to do it. I wanted to get through 3 of these, and I think I only went through like 1.5. So this one I already started burning. This is the Vanilla Bean Marshmallow, and as you can see, that way I'm about halfway done with this one. So I want to go ahead and finish this one off, and then I included this one as well. This is the Eucalyptus Mint, and I love the way this one smells. So this one is brand new. I have like 5 of these mini candles, and they don't have a great scent throw, which is why I want to go ahead and use them up. I'll be able to use these when I'm doing my makeup, like for church on Sunday mornings, and I'll go ahead and light this and just leave it on for the hour that I'm getting ready, and then that's how I'll use these up, because I don't really get much use out of these little ones. I usually get the bigger ones. So this is my next item. My third item that I chose, this I got from Ulta. This is the Fizz and Bumble lip scrub in the watermelon scent. This smells amazing. Well, it did smell amazing when I first bought it. It still smells a little bit like watermelon, but I can tell that the scent has changed, so I want to use this before this expires completely. I have that much left, if you guys can kind of tell. I want to say I'm about halfway done with this bottle. It's a lip scrub, but I plan on using it to scrub other places, maybe like my elbows, my feet, because like I said, the scent is kind of changing, so I kind of feel uncomfortable putting this near my mouth. But I want to go ahead and finish this up. Hopefully I'll be able to do this within the 4 months. My next item here, this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I've had this foundation for a very long time, and I think it's time that I finally get rid of it. So I went ahead and I marked where I'm at starting. So I only have this much left, which isn't a lot. I'm actually wearing this foundation today. This foundation doesn't wear the best on me. I would say it probably lasts me like 5 or 6 hours, and then I feel like I start getting oily and greasy, and it starts like separating on my face. It's honestly not a cute look, but this, it'll do if I'm going out for a few hours. I can use this, or if I'm just going to work, because I don't need to look my best at work. So I'm going to go ahead and try to finish this off within the 4 months. I don't think I'll be able to do this within the halfway mark. I'm going to film a halfway mark video, but hopefully by the end of the 4th month I'll be able to have this completed and out of my collection, because I've had this for a couple of years. I have another Bath & Body Works item here. This is the Sea Island Cotton Shea and Vitamin E Body Lotion. This one I keep by my nightstand, and I'm almost done with it. I wanted to put this in the project because I haven't been gravitating towards it that much. So I went ahead and marked where I'm going to be starting off. Hopefully I'll be able to get this finished by the end of the 4 months, because I have so much Bath & Body Works that I need to get through. But this is a lovely nighttime scent for me. I always apply lotion on my hands and my arms before I go to sleep. My next item here, this is a perfume. This is the Kimberly LaFemme perfume. I do have a small perfume collection, and this is the only one that's not like an actual perfume. This one is from Five Below, so I only paid $5 for it, and it smells really nice. It just doesn't last as long as regular perfumes, and because the bottle is white, I can't see how far along I am, but I want to say I'm less than halfway done. I just want my perfume collection to grow with real perfumes, not like these $5 ones. But I mean, it works okay. It'll do the job. It'll make me smell good. And my last item for this project, this is the Ulta lip gloss, and it is in the shade Belle. As you can see, it kind of looks pinkish. It does have a cute little pearlescence to it. This is just a mini, so I think I'll be able to use this. It goes well even without any lipstick underneath it. I could put this just on my lips and it looks really nice, or I could top this up on a liquid lipstick or on a lip liner, and it always looks really nice. It's super versatile, so I want to use this completely up by the end of the 4th month. So those are the 7 items I picked for this project. Like I said, this project will be lasting from January 1st to April 30th. So it's a 4-month project. If you guys want to see a halfway update and the finale video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's the red button down below, and you can also click on the little bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I do upload beauty videos, vlogs. I am going to start incorporating like baking videos if you guys are interested. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on all my social medias. I have Instagram for my business, which is Treats by Yazz'n, and I also have an Instagram for YouTube. It's Yazz'n_it up on Instagram, and also my Snapchat and Facebook will be listed down below for you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.